You know, sometimes we're in a hurry. We don't have time to get a little fancy. So if you're at home and you just want something very simple, a bun is just fabulous. It's also very elegant and everybody's using it now. So what you want to do is just keep the hair very smooth. Go back, or you can even go towards the side. I've decided to go a little bit sideways on Farrah. And again, don't worry about these hairs here. We're going to straighten them out later. I'm going to go ahead and take this here, which is a band, and go around her head, making a tight ponytail because this is a bun. Okay, so I want as tight as I can get it. As tight as I can get it. Okay. On her hair, since she has a lot of layers, I'm just going to go around and make a smooth bun. A very smooth bun by going around like this and twisting it in like that. Okay? And pinning it into her hair. Taking the four corners again and just making big pins, getting the big pins and pushing them into the four corners of her hair. Just the four corners of her hair like that. We're going to smooth out all those little hairs. We can take bobby pins and also smooth that out. Taking it like that. If it's too tight here, you can always loosen it a little bit. I see it's a little tight here. And we can always take the hairspray and, like I said, just simply push those little hairs down so you don't see them.